Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel is considering professional sanctions against Kraken attorney Sidney Powell and other pro-Trump lawyers who she believes intentionally misrepresented facts in court in their lawsuits challenging the results of the presidential election. Professional litigators should know better than to waste the court's time with baseless arguments designed to mislead the public, and we will consider filing grievances against those who violated the rules of professional conduct all attorneys swear to abide by, said Jarvi. Nessel is not the only one advocating for consequences for the lawyers behind the litigation. Last week, the city of Detroit said it would file a motion asking a federal judge to impose sanctions against Powell and other lawyers involved in filing the infamous Kraken lawsuit in Michigan, versions of which were also filed in Wisconsin, Arizona and Georgia, which was batted away by a U.S. District Court judge. I don't think lawyers who practice with such disregard for the law and the facts should be allowed to practice, the city's lawyer David Fink told Forbes. Detroit is asking a judge to serve the team with fines, a sweeping ban from practicing in the Eastern District of Michigan and a referral to the state's bar. These sanctions are uncommon as it's difficult to prove that lawyers violated Rule 11 of the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, which states that lawyers must not make cases in court, for any improper purpose, such as to harass, cause unnecessary delay, or needlessly increase the cost of litigation. However, legal ethics experts told Forbes that Detroit may have a shot. Bruce Green, who directs Fordham Law School's Lewis Stein Center for Law and Ethics, said the city has a pretty compelling argument for punishing the lawyers for filing a frivolous lawsuit for improper purposes. Though there are multiple avenues through which Nessel could pursue sanctions against Powell and other attorneys, it appears a Rule 11 violation would be the most likely. If proven, intentional misrepresentation breaches a lawyer's fundamental duty of honesty that applies to all of a lawyer's conduct, especially in dealings with the court, said University of Miami School of Law professor Jan Jacobowitz in a Tuesday statement. Neither the court rules nor the state bar regulations tolerate dishonesty. If the legal profession fails to operate with integrity and adherence to the rule of law, then the entire system unravels. Representative Bill Pascrell Jr., D.N.J., has filed complaints with ethics boards in 5 states against Trump-linked election fraud attorneys. In November he called for the investigation and disbarment of Trump's personal attorney Rudy Giuliani and other members of the legal team. Additionally, a group of over 1,500 attorneys sent a letter to the American Bar Association urging an investigation into the Trump team's conduct.